company АлматыЭнергоServis counts its history back to 1958 when it was organized by a specialized company for repair works and maintenance of power plants in Kazakhstan and Central Asia. During the operational company activity, the company had implemented significant projects on upgrades of existing and construction of new power generation facilities. Specialists of the enterprise were involved in the repair of power equipment in Mongolia, Vietnam, Pakistan, Iran, Iraq, and India. АлматыЭнергоServis gained a reputation as a highly professional and stable company. Extensive experience gained in design and engineering support, construction assembling, and startup and adjustment works of the most complicated electric power facilities. Today, the company, based on the integration of modern technologies, offers customers wide volume of works, starting from the techno-economic energy audit and development of the most effective integrated solutions for the customer to implement the project in life. At the present time, АлматыЭнергоServis carries an investment program aimed at increasing production and improving security of energy supply of Almaty and Kızılorda regions due to the introduction of new facilities in accordance with the Electric Power Development Program of the Republic of Kazakhstan up to 2030. The current stage of development of the enterprise is characterized by an intense introduction to the production of a wide range of innovative technologies while maintaining the traditions of production and high-quality products. Today, assimilated and applied modern technologies based on metal machining centers and computer control, plasma and hydroabrasive treatment. Design work carried out on the basis of high-performance computing tools use modern software engineering, including three-dimensional design. Design of digital electronic means of collecting and processing large amounts of data is carried out on the basis of modern electronics and advanced technologies. The works are carried out comprehensively, including the development of hardware and embedded software for microcontrollers with advanced wire and wireless interfaces. Manufacture of electronic components and devices is performed by qualified personnel with a phased quality control of construction works. The development of special software is based on proven algorithms and mathematical models of complex processes in the operating environment MS Windows using a variety of scripts, C++, Delphi, and Java. The modern level of production АлматыЭнергоServis confirmed by the certification of quality management company in accordance with international standards ISO 9001-2008. The German company DQS certification of management systems, International Network for Quality Management System Certification IQNet, National Certificate in accordance with the law of the Republic of Kazakhstan on certification. All products are certified and standardized in accordance with the law of the Republic of Kazakhstan on technical regulation and have Kazakh standards. A characteristic feature of the company is that leadership is not confined to the main activity. It is actively developing new directions based on modern, efficient technologies. At the present time, АлматыЭнергоServis is a diversified enterprise with flexible technological cycles of production. In addition to traditional activities in the electricity sector since 1998, the enterprise intensively develops areas such as development and production of a wide range of products to meet the needs of combat training, as well as the activities in the field of energy-saving technologies. Development and production of range equipment and training simulators are subject to achieve a common goal: to ensure effective training and education of the troops at all stages, from a single training soldier to combat coordination units and sectors. To achieve the above goal, the company is constantly carrying a wide range of developmental products to create new models of testing equipment and stimulators with implementation of modern technologies and engineering solutions. The design of the sample of testing and shooting equipment widely used position sensors on different physical principles: a microprocessor controller, precision motors, wired and wireless data collection, and management of target fields, computer control stations, and inspection. Today, manufactured testing equipment, commander tactical set, portable radio and shooting stationary equipment sets, complete sets of Directrice BMP-2 and tanks, ensures the implementation of all kinds of shooting, from small arms, from military vehicles and tanks. At the final stage, carried the work on construction of specialized equipment for aviation and artillery testing grounds. Constantly carried work on improvement of testing and shooting ground equipment characteristics in accordance with operational experience in the military and military educational instructors. Today, the products of АлматыЭнергоSerвис are in accordance with their characteristics, and quality is on the same level with foreign analogs. Manufactured testing and shooting equipment is extensively operated in the Army. On its basis were conducted troops of the CSTO in 2009, the exercises of the troops of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization in 2010. Training simulators are a relatively new group of company products range. In the past few years, the company conducted an intensive multidisciplinary work on the development of design documentation and software simulators for different purposes: personnel training, standards development, registration of intellectual property, and patents for industrial design and invention. Currently, the company АлматыЭнергоSerвис has all the necessary documentation, production, and technological cycle and specialists for a wide range of stimulators meeting the demands of the Republic of Kazakhstan. Today, the company list of stimulators includes complex simulators of tank crew T-72, BMP-2, BTR-80, stimulator of drive mechanic T-72 tank, BMP-2, MTLB, driver BTR-80, KAMAZ truck tractor. Simulators of different configurations for the tactical training of commanders and units. Simulator portable air defense missile system, Strela 10. There's intensive work on establishment of complex simulators crew Mi-17 helicopters and Combined Arms Training Center. Simulators of АлматыЭнергоSerвис developed on the basis of modern technology, the complex of virtual reality, three-dimensional graphics, geographic information technologies, management interfaces, real and virtual objects, stimulation, and network solutions. Original technical solutions help to ensure a high level of structural and functional adequacy, good educational methods, and educational opportunity simulators, reliably and with high performance. The achieved level of technology allows us to produce simulators for new and modernized weapons and fully meets the demands of law enforcement agencies and the effective means of education and training. Project Combined Arms Training Center in the most concentrated form, it was revealed the necessity to integrate all the technology and software solutions to achieve the main goal, to provide opportunities to training units and in two-sided battle as close as possible to the real situation. During the development process, incorporated all known technologies of two-sided battle simulation, mathematical modeling of combat operations in the form of an interactive simulation model of combined arms combat, scaled-down modeling in the form of crew training simulators, weapons, and military equipment, and the use in the field of laser and computational simulation of fire and destruction in the uncontrolled self-guided ammunitions. Use of scaled-down mobile simulator to simulate field shooting guided ammunitions, the first time in combat training. Combined Arms Training Center is an effective tool for teamwork in units and can successfully solve the important problems of combat training on the basis of a significant reduction in the degree of conditionality, tactical exercises, and activities. To increase the intensity and effectiveness of the tactical training of officers and departments, as well as to obtain objective data on the level of their training. There are no such analogs of center in the armies and the CIS so far. The design of an integrated simulator of the crew Mi-17 applies electrodynamic platform of its own design. The peculiarity of this platform is a low power and self-control system, as well as the ability to install overhead product of the circular rotation and vibration platform to play the simulator crew booth vibration, which significantly increases the value for the playback of the propulsion system, of the main gearbox, and of the rotor. To display outer boost situation in the simulator, mounted spherical screen and laser diode projectors. Only АлматыЭнергоSerвис provides a complete supply of three-dimensional simulator editor of the Earth's surface as a developer. Usage of editor greatly extends the capabilities of the operator to ensure the training of crews in different regions using three-dimensional models of real sites. Built-in models of combined arms combat provides an approximation environment of trainings to combat conditions, including training of crews in the active air defense system. The generation of acoustic and dynamic effects of contact with the helicopter missiles and ammunitions implemented in the project АлматыЭнергоSerвис significantly increases the reality of crew training process. Aircraft weapon applications simulated by helicopter crew in full scope, allows the crew training of any Army aviation. Crew Training Simulator MI-17 corresponds to the qualification level of D according to the requirements of JCAR STD-1H, International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO, to the helicopter flight simulators by its technical characteristics. At the present time, specialists found effective solutions for the production of clean renewable energy, wind and automated weather stations, and power complexes. In addition to traditional products for the energy, generators, robots, and transformers, the company began production of wind-generated power plant installations up to 10 kilowatts and the climate energy complex on the basis of wind-generated installations and helio panels. АлматыЭнергоServis is a dynamically developing company, and personnel comply with the best production traditions and actively introduce advanced technologies for the production of modern, high-quality, and effective products. Perspective of company development is the development of new technologies and entry to high-quality product indicators.